Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to stop back at my channel. Okay, like I stated before, I am doing a 4-part series on my Dollar Tree hauls. I'm trying to keep my videos at 10 minutes so that I don't bore you to death with a very long video. So you're going to see 4 Dollar Tree hauls right in a row, one after the other. They'll probably be every other day instead of every day. So please stay tuned. I hope you watch them all. I'd appreciate it. Alright guys, so this is my third bag. This one I am going to get into. If you are new here, I want to thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you like and enjoy my content. My name is Pam. Welcome to my channel. I do love to go to the Dollar Tree and save some money. Also, I do Dollar Tree DIYs. I also love to make cards and craft paper crafts. So I do have those videos on my channel, and I also love to do vlogs. Not that I've been doing that many of them, but I have a few of them. We also here rescue cats, and we take care of a bunch of cats right now. Right now, I think we have 12 cats right now, including our own. So 4 of them are kittens. They're very young, and so they have had to have medication. So I'll insert some pictures so you can see those little cuties. Once they're ready to go, they will be going to new homes, and I hope everybody enjoys them who wants a new kitty. Alright guys, so the first things I want to show you is some of this. This is a scarf I got. It's a red, white, and blue scarf. You guys know what I usually do with my scarves. I make these really cool, shabby chic window swags. That's what they call them, window swags. So I made myself 2 of these, and I'll show you a picture of everything I used right here, so you can see that. But that is for the 4th of July, but it did take quite a few of them. I actually had to buy 5 of them for 2 of the big long ropes that you get from the Dollar Tree, and I just cut it in half, and it fits. One will fit on my mantle and the other will fit on my window, and I'll show you a picture of how it looks in my kitchen window. But yeah, these are really nice. I really do like them, so I'm gonna figure out something to do with this one. Alright, so I did pick up 2 more of my boxes. I do have a winner for my little mini giveaway, my Crafter Square storage box, embellishment box. I do have a winner. I will be notifying the winner. I'm sorry it took me so long, but with my back issues, and I only had 5 people that emailed me. So I will be emailing the winner right back, and I just used the number generator 1 through 5, and that is how I came up with that. So once I email the winner, you'll have 24 hours to get back in touch with me, and so that I can send it out right away. I'll probably be sending it out on Thursday, and today is Wednesday, so hopefully I can get a response from the winner. But yep, this is it. I'm thinking about doing some mini embellishment swaps, so if anybody's interested in that, I will like you to email me. All my information will be down below. So some crafting stuff I got. I found some of the wooden beads, so I wanted to get some of these. These are really good for projects. You can paint them if you want to, because I know I'm not going to use these very bright colors, but I will be painting them for projects that I'll be doing. I got some cotton twine. This I was actually going to use for my swag, but then I remembered I had that big nautical rope from the Dollar Tree, so I used that instead. But you could also use this if you're looking, or just the twine that you get in the round ball. So also, let's see, I found some of this really pretty unicorn ribbon. I don't know if anybody has seen it in your ribbon section, but I found this. I will insert a picture here of what I found, either here or here. I always forget which side, but I found that also. And let me see, sorry guys. So all right, that hurt. So I found some of this washi tape, very cute washi tape with a bow tie. That would be really cute for a Father's Day card, I was thinking. And then here's another ribbon. This one is mermaids. They had mermaids, so I'll show you a picture of all the mermaid washi tape that they had. Very cute. And then these are, like I did in the last haul that I showed you, every time I see these I will pick them up because they're really good, and sometimes they're hard to find, so I did pick some of them up. And a little pair of the detailing scissors. I love these. So these are a backup for me, so I will be putting them away as a backup. The pom-poms, you guys all know that I get these for the kittens so that they can play with them. It's a very cheap alternative to all those little toys that you have to buy, but they're very cute and they're very bright, so they don't generally lose them unless they push them underneath stuff, which is a very big habit that they have. All right, so not to be outdone by my husband Stefano Living Keto, he gets Marco these Temptation treats. Now these are Stormy's favorites. She loves the milk ones, so I got them for her. But he found these mix-ups, and I was like, well, I don't have them at my store. So finally we got them in, and this is the Surfer's Delight, which is tuna, shrimp, and salmon. And this one is the Backyard Cookout, which is chicken, liver, and beef flavors. So I got them for our kitty cats because they can't be left out of all the goodness that he found. And for the dogs, I got these Alpo T-bones, and these are, what's it say, ribeye flavor. So they're kind of small, but they'll eat them like in one day. All right. And then I got some of these. There are 4 of them in here, and I love the size of that. That's nice for olives or a little bit of pickles. If I want to have a snack, I could put some cheese in there with some meat, and then that will be like a little snack for me because I do live the ketogenic lifestyle. So that is actually really good. So I forget how many ounces it is. They are 4 fluid ounces. So, and there's 4 of them in there. Now, I know I am pretty well stocked up on hand sanitizer after all this stuff I couldn't find. Now I finally did find this, and this is 40% more, and this is the Assured, and I got the bigger bonus bottle for $1, and it's 11.2 fluid ounces, so that's actually really good. I bought one from BJ's, and it was $5.99 for the same size bottle, which was crazy, but at the time I couldn't find any anywhere, so I did buy that. They brought back their alcohol. Now this one is a 70% alcohol, so this is very good for helping kill germs. The last one that they had, I think, was like 50%. So this is by Swan, and there was only a few bottles left, so I did only pick up one. I wish I would have got 2, but I did only pick up one of them. All right. Oh, these are some Crafter Squares metallic pony beads, they're called, but I do use these on tassels and things like that, so when I make yarn tassels. I got this little cute jaw clip, and I actually have one on right now, and they're very, because I have really thick hair, and they're very secure. I mean, that thing is secure. So I did pick up another one, plus it's very pretty, so I got that one. I love the Russell Stover sugar-free candy. I pick up usually a bag or 2 every time I go. So this one is the coconut, so I did pick that one up for myself. I got a couple bags. So I have only like 1 piece, and that's it. Not a lot of them. I found their sriracha sauce. Now this one, I also got the sweet chili sauce, but the sriracha sauce, this is 3 total carbs, and that is, there's 17 servings in here. So it's not really saying what a serving size is though. So I'm not sure what a serving size is, but I got that. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but I love sriracha. I love it on chicken and, you know, beef and stuff like that. And then I found these. I forget who I was watching on Instagram, and they said that they found the San Marzano style Hunt's tomatoes, and these are whole peeled. They're whole tomatoes. So Stefano really loves these, so I did pick them up. This is the garlic and crushed red pepper one, but they also have garlic and basil also, if you're lucky to find it. I was only able to find these, so I'm on the hunt for the basil one too, because Stefano would like that one. This one would be better for like chicken dishes and stuff like that for me. But that is it, guys. At the end, there will be pictures of things that I saw that were interesting. And I do have a few pictures of some of the kittens that I have that are getting better. I apologize. I think somebody said something about my fan. My fan is on. It's very warm here, and I can't turn it off because I have a chow chow, and she's just very hairy, and it wouldn't be fair to her for me to turn it off. So apologize for the noise. I hope it's not bothering you too much. But yeah, that is it, guys. This is all I have for right now. This is going to be a 4-part video, so you're going to see it every other day for 4 days. Alright, guys, thank you so much for all your prayers for my father-in-law and my mother-in-law. Hopefully he gets better with each day and gets a little bit stronger. His last chemo session really did a number on him, and I think now they have decided to stop chemo because it's just too much for him. It almost killed him. So we are not going to continue with the chemotherapy. I think they're going to try to either find an alternative way to help him, or they're just going to stop and see what happens. But cancer is a beast. It really is. And when he's 82 years old, so it was very taxing on him. It put him in the hospital for over a week. We almost lost him. So it was a very trying week, but he is home from the hospital. He's not allowed to go up the steps, so he is on 1 floor only, which, you know, that we knew that was coming sooner or later. So he also has congestive heart failure. So there's a lot going on over there at that house. So please continue your prayers for my father-in-law and my mother-in-law. She really does need them. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. I do have a surprise giveaway coming up, and it's a sponsored one, and I am so excited that this company has sponsored my giveaway for me, and I'm just thrilled to pieces. So I will be letting you know in a week or two about that giveaway. It's to celebrate my 10,000 subscribers and also my 53rd birthday. Alright, guys, so I am going to let you go. Like I always say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. Don't forget to stay to the end for the pictures of things I did not purchase, but I found interesting. All right, bye, guys. Thank you for watching.